Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Battered and bruised, the story of a man who is alleging he was beaten by the police and then slapped with 3 charges. Video of the incident has been making the rounds on social media. This evening, the victim, Domel Phipps, recounts the ordeal. Here's Kirk Wright with the story.
When Domel Phipps left his yard for a walk in his Harbour View community in St. Andrew close to 6 Sunday evening, he never knew he was about to get a battering.
Just coming off from home, walking, so I walk, go down the road, go down my shoulder. I end up seeing a couple police coming off a Southern Cross drive. By the time I reach the first wall right there going down Orion, I see when the car stop right at my foot when I have my earpiece in my ears. And the front of the Jeep, a policeman said, don't move. So anytime I hear him say that, I say, stop and hold up my hand. So I said, turn on and don't move. So when he said turn on and don't move, I have my hand up in the air and turn on and face into the wall.
Mr. Phipps says moments later, another group of cops drove onto the scene and joined in the onslaught.
So anytime look, a couple of them will corral me and start giving me lick from all angles, stretch out my shirt and draw me and beat me.
He said they placed him in a service vehicle and drove off while still hitting him.
Meanwhile, going down the road, they end up beating me in the vehicle going down the road. When them vehicle beating me, them stop the vehicle.
One of Mr. Phipps's friends said he was playing football while the beating was unfolding.
He was walking up and then they asked him for a search. And I didn't hear what he said clearly, but their action was, they was just pushing him against the wall and hitting him.
The whole approach to the young man is totally wrong.
This video footage is purported to show the events which unfold, along with the time and date it happened. It shows what appears to be policemen reportedly hitting someone in their vehicle. At points, the person seems to have been either hitting back or trying to ward off the blows. At another point, the person receiving the beating seemed to open the door of the police service vehicle and appeared to be arguing with the cops when he was shoved back inside. Mr. Phipps says he was the person in the vehicle and showed us the scars from the beating. Some residents looked on while Mr. Phipps was in the vehicle.
It's like there was an assault. It was like about, if I'm not lying, it was about 7 of them. Just all of them giving him a gangbang beating in his face and his hands, using the door, hitting him on his hands with the door. It was abomination, to be honest.
Mr. Phipps says when they took him to the Elliston Road police station in Kingston, the policemen exited the vehicle, leaving him inside.
All of them go inside and I whisper. So I said time when them come back, I said the problem now, I can't mean if you lock me up, what the problem, and I got what I'm there, I'm not do nothing. So I said time now, I so comes me see when them at them, I say me assault them and them can't show none of the officer them, woman assault them.
We contacted a senior cop in the Kingston Eastern Police Division about the incident and were told that a police team from the Specialized Operations Unit arrested Mr. Phipps on Sunday for disorderly conduct, assaulting the police and abusive language. Did it appear as if he was resisting arrest?
Well, I don't know what he was under arrest for. Why would they arrest him for just walking up the street? Why? So I guess the question is, why were you arresting him? Not why was he resisting arrest?
Mr. Phipps says he has reported the matter to the Harbour View Police and the Police Complaints Authority. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.